Welcome to this NC Live crash course. In this video, we'll explore CINAHL, a resource designed specifically for nurses and healthcare professionals. Whether you're a student, educator, or practicing nurse, CINAHL has tools and features to support your academic and professional journey. Let's dive in. Let's explore CINAHL by conducting a sample search. Imagine you're researching diabetes care and management in nursing. Type this phrase into the search bar and press enter. You can refine your results to make them more relevant. For example, filter by publication to focus on the most recent research from the last 5 years, select peer-reviewed for scholarly articles, and choose full text to access complete articles. For this example, we'll select Tailoring Nursing Interventions to Empower Patients, Personal Coping Strategies and Self-Management in Type 2 Diabetes Care. If we click on Download, we can download a full-text PDF of the article. We can also click on Access options and select Online Full Text to read the article in our browser window. You can use the Table of Contents section to jump to a particular part of the article. In the toolbar at the top, you have the option of citing the article in various citation styles. You can also click on Share to share it with your Google Drive or OneDrive, or email it to yourself. You can click on the Translate button to translate the article into your preferred language. And finally, you can select Listen to hear an audio recording of the article. CINAHL also offers evidence-based care sheets, which are summaries of the latest evidence on various healthcare topics. These can be particularly useful when studying diabetes management strategies. To find care sheets, we will search for diabetes and select evidence-based care sheets as our source type. Select Diabetes 2, Effect of Exercise to get advice on patient care. These sheets provide concise, up-to-date information to support clinical decision-making. We have linked to a comprehensive list of all the evidence-based care sheets available in CINAHL in the description of the video. CINAHL also offers tools to streamline your research process. Let's use our diabetes management example. You can set up search alerts to stay updated on new research or explore subject headings for more precise searches. These tools are invaluable for both academic assignments and clinical practice. Let's recap the top 3 things to remember about using CINAHL. First, CINAHL is your go-to resource for evidence-based nursing research. Use the search tools to find peer-reviewed articles, apply filters like publication date and full-text access, and take advantage of citation and sharing options. Second, explore the evidence-based care sheets. These tools provide concise summaries and patient care strategies. Finally, make the most of CINAHL's additional tools like subject headings for targeted searches and search alerts to stay updated on the latest research in your field. Links to additional training resources can be found in the description below. Thanks for viewing this NC Live crash course. If you are interested in learning more about our resources and skills that are relevant to librarianship, subscribe to the NC Live YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below.